If you've been here before or you find yourself here for the first time, we've been using the Galaxy S21 Ultra consistently for months and even did our full review, which we highly recommend you check out. But being that at the time of this recording, it is October 2021, not long to go now, we are expecting the follow-up to the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which begs the question, is the Galaxy S21 Ultra worth it? Or should you wait for the Galaxy S22 Ultra? Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here are a few reasons why you should go ahead and buy the Galaxy S21 Ultra this year, and also a few reasons why you might want to wait for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The price at the time of this recording is definitely a good reason to consider the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Yes, this device is not cheap or low price by any means, but since it's been out for a good few months now, getting one used or even brand new outright or through carrier networks, you are bound to find a more competitive price this time round for an ultra flagship device that packs so much. Speaking of packing so much, the overall power, specs, performance of the Galaxy S21 Ultra is class leading in the smartphone space, with having things like up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, software support like DeX, and Samsung's commitment to longer software updates on an OS version level, like what we've been seeing recently with the beta program on One UI. You can definitely rest assured the Galaxy S21 Ultra is not slowing down anytime soon. One major thing to consider is the overall camera performance and experience for both photos and video. All the lessons learned from the previous S20 Ultra and even the Note 20 Ultra have made the camera experience on the Galaxy S21 Ultra much better than the year before. The optical zoom performance and the flexibility it brings to the camera experience is still something that sets the S21 Ultra camera experience apart from the rest. The final touch has got to be the overall design, build quality, and finish. And man, Samsung really owned everything about the design on the S21 Ultra, from how the rear camera blends into the frame of the phone and the consistent phantom finish across all the colors this time round. It really adds an even more premium feeling to your device, which not only makes you feel and know it's money well spent, but also that it will hold up for a very long time. What might be some of the reasons why you would want to wait for the Galaxy S22 Ultra? For my personal use case, might be the battery life and charging experience. Using the Galaxy S21 Ultra daily, having 5,000 milliamps for the battery capacity hasn't always translated to great battery life when actually using it. On top of that, not being able to fast charge your battery to full charge in under 1 hour is something that leaves me wanting more from the charging experience. Rumors that 45-watt charging is returning on the Galaxy S22 Ultra definitely has me excited, so that might be a good reason to wait. Also, having the latest and greatest chipset at the time is also something that you might want for the best performance day to day and also for your device lasting even longer. How the rumored Exynos 2200 and also the Snapdragon 898 will perform is yet to be seen, but generally speaking, this is the benefit of waiting to get the next flagship. And last major one to consider is true S Pen integration and support. What was impressive to see was S Pen support for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which was not only a surprise, but the first ever S series flagship to have any S Pen support away from the Note series. As great as it was, not being able to store it away like you could do on the Note, in the end made it feel halfway done compared to the Note. If the leaks and rumors are anything to go by, which as always, take it with a grain of salt, then it looks like the S22 Ultra will finally integrate the S Pen just like on the Note. At the end of the day, the choice to buy the Galaxy S21 Ultra now or wait for the S22 Ultra is all yours, and we say you cannot go wrong with either choice at this time. Let us know what you would decide to do in this situation in the comments section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. For the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.